Oh, I think he's gonna choke now. I'm choking. I'm choking.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the huge Atrociraptor. Guys, it's open. So let's take it out. It's open. Let's get it out quickly. Guys, now we're getting the torso and the mouth out. Let's make it. Now we're gonna put the parts together. Let's start with the legs. One of the legs, then with the other. We're about to finish putting it on. So this is how it looks like. If you like open the mouth, you can see that it can swallow minifigures. Okay, I got it all in. I got all of the pieces on it. So this is how it looks. And now let's open the minifigures, what came with it. Figures out. But now let's put the dinos in.
Oh my gosh, how many are you gonna fit in there?
They're not even going all the way down.
Oh. Okay, well let's move it up then. Oh, wow, there's a whole bunch. Can it even swallow all that? Oh my. Oh my gosh, your hand is being eaten. Oh! Well, how many do you think are in there? see that. Do you see that?
Wait. Okay, now it can fit a lot more.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. I'm not sure. It says the box has only 20 fit in there. That's more than 20. How many minifigures do you have?
$200.
Oh, I think he's gonna choke now. I'm choking. I'm choking.
Now it can fit more. Open it real quick. Now it doesn't work. Okay, that's all. This is how much I put in there.
Do you like the Atrociraptor?
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see another video. Goodbye.